American 1936, turn left heading 230, runway 27 left, clear for takeoff.
Heading 230, clear for takeoff, 27 left, American 1936.
69 Papa Kilo, your discretion, runway 27 left, line of point for wake turbulence.
Okay, line of discretion, 69 Papa Kilo, thank you, line of point.
Nine Papa Kilo, I believe you were not issued a takeoff clearance, so fly heading 300, please.
I'm sorry, 300, I thought you said takeoff at my discretion, I'm sorry.
That was line up and wait, your discretion. So just 300, contact departure, and whenever you're able to, they're going to give you a phone number for a possible pilot deviation.
Yes, sir, thank you, 69 Papa Kilo. Departure 69 Papa Kilo, 3000, 300 heading.
69 Papa Kilo for departure, your radar contact flighting of 340.
40, 69 Papa Kilo.
69 Papa Kilo, have a number for you for a possible pilot deviation when you're ready for the number.